Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready? Start by confirming your Hulu subscription and that your device runs the latest app version. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and sign in. Then play the content you want captions on so the player controls appear. This is important because Hulu shows caption settings only during playback. Once done, open the player controls and look for the captions or audio icon. Tap it to access on /off options. This first action unlocks the rest of the setup and ensures the player recognizes your request. Once captions are visible in the player, select Captions or Subtitles and choose the language you need. Toggle Captions on. If you want different styling, larger text, color, or background, go to Settings and then Captions or Accessibility, because styling options live there to improve readability. On web browsers, you can set permanent defaults through the accessibility menu, whereas mobile and smart TV apps may offer in-player style choices. Make changes and resume playback to check readability. Adjusting style helps when room lighting. Finish by confirming captions appear consistently for the whole playback, and test another title so you know it isn't a single asset issue. If captions do not appear, restart the Hulu app and your device. Make sure the app is updated and clear the app cache. That often resolves mismatch or loading problems. Also check for competing settings like audio descriptions that can change caption behavior. If issues persist, contact Hulu support and provide your device model, app version, and the content title to speed up troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.